Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited. SQL Server Database Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Question number 23. The like operator using wildcards like percentage and underscore in SQL Server Database. In this session, we are going to discuss about the pattern matching with like using wildcards like percentage and underscore in SQL Server Database. The like operator is used in where classes to search for a specific pattern in a column. It is often used for partial matches like finding names starting with A or emails ending with .com, something like that. There are a couple of wildcards in like. First one is %. % matches 0, 1 or many characters. Underscore matches exactly one character. We'll see the scenarios. First one, using percentage wildcard. There is a scenario. Customer name starts with A. Coming to the query, select customer name from customers where customer name like A percentage. That means here the customer name starts with A character and ends with the remaining. In the second scenario, like select customer name from customers where email like %gmail.com. That means before gmail.com we'll be having different names. Okay, it will display all the strings, but after percentage it should be gmail.com. And third scenario is select customer name from customers where customer name like percentage li percentage. That means the middle would be li and before and after this character like string you may have any number of characters. It is going to display a character. In middle it should have li. Coming to the next wildcard, using wildcard underscore. It exactly one character match. Scenario. To find names with exactly 5 characters, in this situation we are going to use a wildcard. There is a query, select customer name from customers table where customer name like we have to provide 5 underscores here. That means it will fetch 5 characters from that customer name to start from the beginning. And coming to the next scenario, by using the underscore is find names where the second letter is O. Here is a query, select customer name from customers where customer name like underscore 0%. This is a scenario that in first underscore, the first letter have to start with one letter and next letter would be O and the remaining letters you can fetch by using the %. And coming to the third one, find emails where the fourth character is V. There is a query, select customer name, email from customers where email like we have to include 4 underscores, then V, then %. In this scenario, before B there would be 4 characters and after B there will be many characters. By using %, we are going to fetch this scenario. In this scenario, we are finding emails where the 4th character is V. Coming to the key differences, for the wildcard character like percentage, meaning any number of characters that is 0 or more. For example, A percentage, it starts with A and ends with other characters which are available. For example, Anita and Alice. These are the names which are fetched starting with A. And coming to the underscore wildcard character, exactly one character, there have to be a match. For example, underscore O %, that means before O there should be only one character. Here in this scenario, Bob is the exact match for that scenario. In this scenario, before O we are having only one character, that is Bob. After O we may have a number of characters because we are using % here. We have a note here, like is case sensitive by default in SQL Server, depends on collision. For case sensitive search, use a case sensitive collision. For example, if we have small o, that is apart from the capital O, you are having a small o in the data. If you are trying to fetch capital O, it won't fetch the small o. That means it is a case sensitive. And we'll see these things practically in SSMS. We are in SSMS, that is called SQL Server Management Studio, and we are at demo at GKey database. Let's see, this is the table. We are going to insert some data into it. We're going to check the like and wildcard characters here. First, we are going to drop this table by, because if the table is existing, we are going to drop it, and we are creating the table with customer ID, customer name, and email, and inserting the 5 records into it. 5 records got inserted successfully. And first scenario, using percentage wildcard. The same way as we discussed, select customer name from customers, where customer name like A percentage, that means the names have to start with A. See the output, Alice and Anita. These are the records which are started with A character. And coming to the next query, like percentage gmail.com, that means before gmail.com we may have any names, but after percentage gmail have to be there. Alice gmail.com, this is the customer name that we got, and we'll take this name also, that is email. Then we can see this one somewhat clear. Let's see, there have to be gmail.com. Before that we may have any characters like percentage, David, Alice, or something like that. And let's see the third scenario. For percentage, select customer name from customers, where customer like percentage li percentage, that means between there have to be li, before and after any characters. See, li after A, li is there, after CHARLIE, Charlie. In this how we are going to fetch the records based on the requirement. Coming to the underscored whale character, it exactly one character match it supports. Coming to the scenarios for that, find names with exactly 5 characters. We have given for customer name 5 underscores here. Let's check it out. See, these are the names with 5 characters: ALICE, DAVID, ANITA. These are all the names with 5 characters. In this way, exactly we can mention what number of characters we require. That is, each underscore supports only one character. Coming to the next scenario for wildcard character underscore is, find names where the second letter is O. In this scenario, we have to put the second letter O, and before that, why? Because we are fetching the second one. We are giving here second one is O. That means before we should have only one character, and after that we may have any number of characters. See, before O we have only this. Bob is the only record. After before O, only one character, that is Bob. Coming to the next scenario with wildcard character underscore, find emails where the 5th character is D. That means before we can have 4 characters, and after D we may have any number of characters. Here David is only the name that is having 5th character as D. See, DAVID. Before 4 characters are there, and 5th one is D, and after that we may have any number of characters. We are not having any character after D. If there are characters after D also, it is going to fetch Y, because we mentioned percentage here. This is how the like operator along with wild characters like percentage and underscore are there, having their own functionality. For the different requirements, we can use this like operator and wildcards. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.